All KitchenAid tilt-head stand mixers have a silver pin, which attaches the tilting head to the base of the mixer. The pin should be flush with the sides of the mixer. It should not protrude on either side. This pin can become loose with time and work its way out of the mixer head. If you notice the silver pin, also called a hinge pin or a neck pin, protruding from either side of the mixer, it's time to make an adjustment. It is not enough to simply push the pin back into the head of the mixer. It's also important to tighten the pin to keep it in place. All you need is a flathead screwdriver to make this simple adjustment. There is a screw underneath the base of the tilt-head mixer that allows you to tighten the neck pin. In order to see it, you must carefully tilt the mixer on its side, being careful not to bump the speed control lever or locking mechanism. You may want to place a towel on your work surface prior to turning it over on its side. When you have located the screw, using your flathead screwdriver, turn to the right to tighten it. Note, it's very important to push the silver pin neck pin in until it becomes flush with the mixer on both sides before tightening. Here's a tip. If you're not able to push the neck pin in, it may be necessary to first loosen the screw even more. Then you should be able to push the pin in and retighten. This should be done periodically as you notice the silver pin become loose. Do not wait for it to work its way all the way out.